Love eating mangoes, but still feel really scared to eat it because it can make me gain weight, it can make me fat, it can increase my blood sugar levels. I have diabetes, I can't eat mangoes, or I get acne, I can have acne if I eat mangoes. Then take a pause, take deep breaths, and watch this video. In this video, I will be talking about all these, that whether mango can really make you fat, whether it can really raise your blood sugar levels, or it's bad for diabetes, or whether it can really cause you acne or not. And apart from it, I will be also talking about how much mangoes you should eat in a day, and when you should eat in a day, and most importantly, why you should eat a mango. Because we have had enough of reasons of why to avoid mangoes, why not to eat mangoes. But what about why we should actually eat mangoes? So I will be giving you the reasons today why you should eat mangoes, whether you are on a weight loss journey or you have diabetes or not, doesn't matter, but still this video belongs to you. So do watch this video till the end. Hi, this is Priyanka Gupta and welcome to my channel. Well, let's talk about mangoes today. So I'm sure this is one fruit that everybody loves, but still they refrain themselves from having a mango because they're so scared because of all the misconceptions related to it. Okay, starting from why you should eat a mango. Firstly, mango is actually low in calories. Yes, you heard it right. Mango is low in calories. Secondly, it's really rich in vitamin C. In fact, your 67% of recommended daily intake, you can get it from 1 cup of mango. So you can imagine the amount of vitamin C present in 1 cup of mango. So definitely it's very good for boosting your immunity, and we know how important it is for us to boost our immunity by today. I'm sure that everybody knows this, right? Plus it's really good, super good for your skin, as vitamin C is really good for making the formation of your collagen. So it's super good for your skin. Thirdly, mangoes are very rich in nutrients like your vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin B6, potassium, copper, folate. Next, it is really very high in antioxidants. In fact, it's packed with antioxidants in the form of polyphenols. In fact, it is the primary source of mangiferin, which is a super antioxidant which is present in mangoes, and it has anti-cancer properties, it is antimicrobial, it is cardiovascular protective properties, and it also helps in lowering cholesterol, and it is even neuroprotective. So you imagine the health benefits of mangiferin which is present in mangoes. This is just one super antioxidant, but it has got various other antioxidants, which is your different kinds of polyphenols. Then you have catechins, you have camphorol, you have lutein, you have zeaxanthin, anthocyanins, quercetin. So there are various antioxidants which is present in mangoes. Apart from it, it also contains fiber and digestive enzymes, which is super essential for your digestive health. In short, mangoes are excellent for your immunity, for your skin, for your hair, for your eyes, for your digestive health, for your heart health, or for preventing various forms of cancer, for bone and joint health, for even increasing or improving your hemoglobin levels, for lowering your cholesterol levels. So you see, there are so many different health benefits of eating or enjoying this king of fruit. Okay, now coming to the problems or the questions you have in your mind. Number one, are mangoes really fattening? Okay, so firstly, mangoes are low in calories that I've already mentioned. So 1 cup will hardly give you 100 calories, and plus that 1 cup of mango does not even contain even 1 gram of fat. So it is not fattening. In fact, it's rich in your fiber as well. It's rich in digestive enzymes. It actually, in fact, it will keep you full. So once you have mango, it really helps to keep you full. Of course, if you're going to over consume mango, or even if you're consuming it in the form of a dessert with loads of sugar on a very regular basis, then definitely it can make you gain weight. Secondly, are mangoes really bad for diabetes? Especially in case of diabetes, people who are suffering from diabetes, they really refrain themselves from not having mangoes. One thing, let me tell you, when it comes to diabetes, very important factor that we have to see with respect to food, that the food has to be of low glycemic index. Glycemic index is basically a measure of the food, like how quickly a food can really raise your blood sugar levels after consuming it. So mangoes are actually low in glycemic index, which means that diabetes people can actually safely take in, and the glycemic index is 51, and anything which comes under 55 is considered to be a low glycemic index food. So mangoes can be safely taken by diabetes. It has to be taken in moderation, of course, to prevent, because there's something called glycemic load as well. So we also need to take care of the glycemic load. If you're having too much of mangoes at a time, then definitely it can raise your blood sugar level. Now coming to your third question, does mango causes acne breakouts? Well, mangoes are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A and various antioxidants, which actually helps in giving you natural glow to your skin. It helps in reducing blemishes and hyperpigmentation. Definitely there's nothing to be scared of eating mangoes for your skin health. And yes, if you feel that it generates a lot of heat in your body, then there is a simple old age remedy for it of soaking mangoes in water 30 to 45 minutes before consumption, and you can definitely reduce the heat of it. So yes, you can, therefore you're good to go and enjoy your mangoes guilt free after that. See, the problem is not with the mangoes. The problem is the how you are going to consume it. If you're over consuming it, or if you're not consuming it in the right manner, then it can create all of these problems for sure. Now coming to how much mangoes you should eat, you can safely eat 1 mango a day or 1 cup of mango a day and you're good to go. When you should eat mangoes are best taken in the mornings or as a snack in between your meals and not along with your meals. Because if you're consuming it along with the meal, first of all, it will increase the calorie load of the meal. The nutrients of the mango will not be absorbed and utilized properly in the body if you're consuming it along with the meal. So you might not get the benefits of having a mango if you're consuming it with your lunch or dinner. You should definitely avoid it post your sunset. Take it in the morning or as a snack before sunset. Now I've already made a separate video of like how you should actually take in fruits, the best time and the best way to consume fruits. You can refer to that if you want to know the full details about how you should actually consume fruits for its maximum benefit. I'll mention the link in the description box below and even the I button at the top. So that's all from my side, and I really hope by now you're not really scared of eating a mango anymore. So yes, if you really like this video, please show me a thumbs up, share and comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of my future videos. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay nourished, and always keep it simple, smart and effective.